Here are 20 must-have tools every pro DIYer needs. These smart, powerful tools are designed to boost productivity, making your work faster, easier, and more efficient. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tools can transform your projects and save valuable time on every task you take on. This Bosch Professional Mitre Saw is a powerful corded tool designed for precise cross, bevel, and miter cuts in wood and aluminum. It features an LED cutting line indicator, a strong motor for consistent performance, and an efficient dust management system, making it an ideal choice for professionals seeking accuracy, durability, and clean working conditions. The Michelin high-pressure washer is a powerful electric cleaner with a 1,900-watt motor, delivering up to 140 bar pressure and 460 liters per hour water flow. It's ideal for cleaning cars, patios, driveways, and outdoor surfaces, making tough cleaning tasks faster, easier, and more efficient. A dual-fuel inverter generator delivers up to 4,000 watts of power and runs on gasoline or propane for flexibility. It features CO Shield, auto shutoff for safety, quiet 64 decibel operation, and extended runtime. You can also connect a parallel kit to boost power output, making it ideal for home backup and outdoor use. A ground trimmer with T-shaped blades allows easy push-forward grass cutting. Its three-wheel design offers stability on uneven terrain, while curved blades deliver clean, precise cuts with minimal stone scatter. This makes it efficient, safe, and ideal for maintaining lawns, gardens, and outdoor spaces with less effort. This 20-volt cordless drill and impact driver kit features brushless motors for efficient drilling and fastening. It delivers up to 2,000 revolutions per minute and 66 Newton-meters torque on the drill and 285 Newton-meters torque on the impact driver, providing powerful performance, longer runtime, and durability for professional and DIY tasks. A thermal camera with a -20 degrees Celsius to +600 degrees Celsius range and 256 by 192 resolution detects temperature differences with high accuracy. It features durable IP54 protection for tough environments and mobile connectivity for easy image transfer and reporting, making it ideal for inspections, maintenance, and professional diagnostics in various industries. A compact pocket flashlight delivers up to 400 lumens with a powerful 1000 lumen turbo mode for maximum brightness. It includes a green laser pointer for precision, a magnetic base for hands-free use, and a sturdy clip for easy carrying, making it ideal for everyday tasks, work, and outdoor use. A cable shaving plier kit features a fixed ultra-sharp blade for safely opening buffer tubes with precision. It includes ergonomic, spring-loaded handles for comfort and control, along with an easy blade replacement system, making it efficient and reliable for professional cable preparation and maintenance tasks. The Optimas Finliner is a material distribution bucket used for rapid flood protection. Attached to a wheel loader, it scoops sand and uses a conveyor belt to quickly fill sand hoses, sandbags, or big bags, allowing up to 30 meters of sand hose or 20 sandbags to be filled in about 1 minute. This 18-volt cordless grease gun, powered by a Makita lithium-ion battery, is built for maintaining heavy machinery. It delivers up to 10,000 pounds per square inch pressure, features 2 speed modes, LED lights for low visibility, and a variable trigger for precise grease control, ensuring efficient and reliable lubrication in demanding work environments. The Total Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful 2,000-watt machine with a 2.5-liter capacity for efficient cleaning. It features a high-efficiency particulate air filter, multi-cyclone system, and durable copper motor, delivering strong suction and effective dust removal, making it ideal for maintaining clean homes and workspaces. This pipe belt sander is designed for efficient grinding and polishing on curved surfaces like pipes and rails. It features a belt speed of 13.5 meters per second and variable speed control for versatility. This allows smooth operation and helps achieve precise, high-quality mirror finishes on metal surfaces with consistency and ease. An orbital polisher with a brushless motor is ideal for polishing, waxing, and sanding car bodies. It features eccentric motion to prevent holograms, variable speed control, constant speed under pressure, and a soft start. With a 125mm pad and 3 polishing pads included, it delivers smooth, professional-quality results efficiently. A 10.8-volt power bank with 28 watt-hours capacity is lightweight and compact, designed for compatibility with AS system tools. Weighing just 0.22 kilograms, it offers easy portability. Its IPX4 water resistance ensures reliable performance in all weather conditions, making it a dependable power source for outdoor and professional use with consistent output and long-lasting durability daily. A butane soldering iron kit features an adjustable flame reaching up to 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for soldering, repairs, and craftwork. It includes a refillable metal fuel tank and multiple accessories for versatility. With up to 75 minutes of runtime, it offers portable, reliable performance for both professional and DIY applications. The STABILA 80T telescopic spirit level is an extendable tool designed for precise measurements. It features a telescopic design with a printed metric scale and a secure locking system for accuracy. Slip stoppers provide stability, while durable end caps ensure long-lasting performance, making it ideal for professional job site use and reliable alignment tasks. Carbide burrs with solid carbide heads are designed for rapid material removal and precise grinding across metals and plastics. Their wide flutes reduce heat buildup, prevent clogging, and enhance chip removal. This ensures efficient performance, smoother finishes, and reliable results when working with aluminum, steel, stainless steel, brass, copper, and plastics. This battery-powered backpack sprayer features a 5-gallon tank and adjustable pressure up to 100 pounds per square inch for efficient spraying. It's designed for fertilizers and garden chemicals, with a leak-proof tank for safety and a telescopic brass wand for extended reach, making it ideal for gardening, farming, and professional landscaping tasks. A tactical flashlight delivers up to 3,000 lumens with multiple lighting modes for versatile use. It features USB-C charging, a battery status display, and a power bank function. With IP67 waterproof protection and a durable build, it's ideal for professional tasks, emergencies, and outdoor adventures in all conditions. The FEIN magnetic drill line features powerful motors and strong magnetic bases for secure, stable operation on metal surfaces. Designed for precision, it offers versatile drilling options for various applications. Its durable, user-friendly construction ensures reliable performance, making it ideal for professional metalworking, fabrication, and heavy-duty industrial tasks. Thanks for watching. Let me know which tool was your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tool videos, tips, and updates. Stay tuned for more content that helps you build smarter, work faster, and make every project easier and more efficient.